Millions of people worldwide are facing those obstacles of losing weight, burning fat, and losing inches. Well, I'm going to show you today a simple metabolic booster that you're going to drink in the morning that's going to do wonders for you. What's going to make this Kickstart tonic so special, that's going to boost your metabolism, speed up your liver to help detoxify it, are two ingredients, parsley and lemon. Parsley is very low in calories and contains many different essential nutrients. One of the main healing medicinal properties of parsley is chlorophyll. That's what detoxifies the blood, liver, and digestive system as it helps support weight loss. Parsley has specific enzymes in them that help break down and release nutrients from the proteins, fats, and carbohydrates that you consume. This is what plays an important role in helping your body slim down. Parsley also has diuretic properties that will get rid of all that bloatiness and water weight. Parsley aids in balancing blood sugars, which helps protect against diabetes. The carotenoids in parsley, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, have been linked in reducing many different cancers, as well as improving eye health. The lemon is packed with many different vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, as well as major antioxidants. It has metabolic boosting properties to help speed up metabolism. Not only is it low in calories, but it promotes satiety and fullness, which will help you feel more satisfied and eat much less. The reason why this tonic of lemon and parsley is so effective in speeding up your metabolism and helping your body burn fat is because of the detoxifying effects it has on the liver, the blood, the intestines, as well as the kidney. So let me show you how simple it is to prepare this fat-burning metabolic tonic. You're going to need 1 cup of water, 1 lemon, and between 1/3 to 1/2 cup of parsley. Now chop the parsley into small pieces and place it in a blender. Now squeeze the fresh lemon to extract the juice. Now that both ingredients are in the blender, add the water and blend well. So you're going to drink this the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And within 5 days, you are going to see amazing changes. But you'll notice within the first few days, that bloatiness, that water distension is going to start to dissipate. Your intestines are going to work better, and your breath is going to smell like roses. So I challenge every one of you, start drinking this tonic first thing in the morning. Do your exercise, eat a well-balanced diet, and get your sleep.